So in this video, I will gonna guide you how you can use Midjourney in your Discord. So first of all, what you need to do is to add Midjourney in your Discord server. So click on add a server and then click on the join server. Then you just need to search for Midjourney and click on join server. Now once you have joined the Midjourney server, this is how it will gonna look like. So what you need to do is to click on the show member list. Once you click on this, click on the Midjourney bot. This will going to be official, and then click on the add app button. Now you just need to click on add to server, and then you just need to select your particular server in which you want to add this and click on continue button. Make sure to read all of these authorization and click on authorize button. Now you need to confirm that you are a human and complete the verification process. Now click on go to the server, and as you can see, Midjourney bot has successfully added in my server. Now in order to use this, you just need to type imagine and enter your particular prompt. In this case, let's say cat in a car, but as you can see, subscription is required, so you need to click on the subscribe in order to subscribe and use the Midjourney bot, because right now you cannot use this. As you can see, due to extreme demand, we cannot provide a free trial right now. Otherwise, that's how you can use Midjourney on Discord.